Georgie, what exactly are you doing?
On the wrong side.
Yes, wait, no. It's Margie. That's Stella. That's Corky. And way over there is Georgie. Say hi, Todd. Stella, now you're not walking. You were just walking. Oh, there she goes. That's Dad. Say hi, Daddy. Daddy, are you my homeboy? Daddy's my homeboy. Toddy has a sick obsession with Margie. It's that one. It's Margie. Look at her. Look at them. They're like Sam. My two girls. My two girls. This is Stella. She's starting to walk already. She's the first one to open her eyes. And she's even getting... Stella, get up here. Her mubby teeth. See? He's made him pee all over himself. That's Mama Kitty. It's a wonderful mama. That's Todd again and Stella, who's also stuck to my shirt, who I just put down. And yeah. Kitties of 2010.